Right, let me get a spin wheel up. Spin wheel. So, I presume I delete all these, yeah? Right. Should we go with Just Eat or Deliveroo? What do you reckon? This is kind of exciting because it's like I'm not deciding my fucking fate. Could end up with like a Vindaloo. Or we could go with the lowest rated ones. Deliveroo has better screen, right? Deliveroo. Right, so we've got... I'll do the top 10 Nabsies. Then Bao and Bowls. Kimchi Korean restaurant. Cockfighter. There's literally a restaurant. Wait, why have I just clicked on it? Cockfighter. Where is it though? Fuck it. I feel like we're gonna have to put Cockfighter in, aren't we? Indigo. Kung Fu. La Caesar. How many's there now? Wingology. Apparently we're in capitals now. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right, this is the last one. Park Hill Star. Oh my god. Right. Is everyone ready? I feel like I'm about to get the most washed dinner in the world. Alright, let's go. It's out of 9 now. Oh, this place is washed as well. This place is washed. But we'll go with it. We'll go with it. Right, Nabsies, where are you? Delivering around 15 minutes. That's the biggest load of bullshit I've ever heard. Right, so it's basically chicken, pizza, wrap, or burger. And then we'll go into that. So I'm going to put them in. Snoop, you want that chicken, lad, right? I'm going to spin it now. I fucking proper want a burger, you know. It's fucking pizza. I suppose it could be worse. But this place is shit. Let me tell you that right now. So I'm going to have to put all the fucking selections. I'll do a side as well after this. Pizza menu. Oh my god. This is diabolical. If I end up with a cheese and tomato pizza, I'm fucking throwing it at one of my neighbours. No, but pepperoni special. Pep special we're putting in. Hawaiian. Meat eater. Veg, I'm just putting veg. Or veg hot. Why would they have 2 fucking veggies? Peri peri. Beef. Baked... Baked beans special. Seafood. Oh my god. Seafood. Tex-Mex. There's some fucking pizza on there. Sweet and... Oh, that'd be hanging. Nice and spicy. Oh, the thing is, if I get a spicy one, I'm fucked. I've got IBS. It's gonna fucking write me off. Indian style. This is actually quite alright, because there's a lot of fucking choice here. Thai chicken. Fucking hell, chill out. Nabsies Deluxe. I pray you get the fucking B one, though. Fuck's sake. Right, are we ready? Is everyone ready? Fucking hell. There's some messes I ate. Like, I don't want a boring one, though, as well, like, to be fair. I don't want a seafood one. Like, fuck that. This place is wank, and you think I'm gonna get seafood from there. Is everyone ready? Yeah. What have you eaten from this Nabsies as? It's shit, man. I got ordered from here last time, and it turned up 2 hours late. Right, I'm gonna spin it, yeah? Here we go. Oh my fucking god. Come on. Oh my fucking god. Oh my god. Comes there, for fuck's sake. It's got tuna, prawns, anchovies, and oregano on it. I bet no one has ever ate that. Right, I'm going to do a 12-inch. 12-incher? Right. Sides. Let me type all these in now. Right. Are we doing 2 sides? Yeah, let's do. Alright, I'm going to spin it. Right. Cheesy jalapenos. I'm glad these lot are clapping, do you know what I mean? Cheesy fries, bro. Not bad. Right, let's go to drinks. Drinks and desserts. I don't deserve. The drinks are shit. It's Coke or water. I suppose I'll just put it in, yeah. If I get water to wash this down with, I'm going to be a bit pissed off, you know. Coke or water. If I get water, that's going to be fucking... I may as well just go and fucking... I may as well just... Right, so we've got a seafood pizza and water. Right. So these fucking fish that are on this pizza are going to come back alive in my fucking mouth. So we've got a 12-inch seafood pizza, cheesy jalapenos, fries and cheese, water, and then that bottle of Coke. 25 fucking quid that's going to cost. But do you know what? We're here for it. No one's ever ordered this. I can guarantee no fucker has ever ordered this. Whose fucking idea was this Spinwheel thing? I've just been fucking done in there, haven't I? Oh, the pizza's gonna fucking stink. Right, Deliveroo sent. Because it don't... Yeah, I guess so. Fucking sweaty fish. And they're not gonna... They're definitely gonna put the cheese over the top. 100%. Oh. Hello? Yeah, you? Yeah, it's the apartments right at the end, so you drive on... Alright, I'll come down, yeah. Alright, see you, bye. We have the package. It fucking... when I say it stinks of tuna. And that was what I didn't want on it. Like, tuna's the bad option. Right, am I diving in with a piece or what? I'm gonna try the others first. These are the chips. The fucking... The cheese is underneath. I'll get some chips with the cheese on it, right? These are just chips, basically. They're just a bit shit, overcooked. Wank. Do you want to see my bottle of water? Are you ready for this? Looks like a bottle of white vinegar, yeah? You ready? Damn. What the fucking hell is that? Yeah, I got a bottle of Coke as well, but I'm gonna drink the water with it. Let's try the white vinegar water. It's fucking warm. Yeah, that's straight out the river air well, that. 100%. Only filtered once, so I'm probably gonna die off that water. They're the jalapeno things, but they don't look like... That's not the size of a jalapeno, that. Right. So, let's go. Yeah, they're alright. These are probably the best thing. And they're not even that good. Like eating Jesus' toenail, that. They're as hot as the bottom of a Rustler's burger, man. Fuck me. Just what you've all been waiting for, yeah? Oh my god. Smells like my ex-bird. Right, I'm just gonna go for it, yeah? There's fucking fish scales in it. Can you see that? Scale. Oh, I don't think they've put prawns on it. I think I've been stiffed. I think this is just a tuna pizza. You can see the scales on that one as well, in the middle. There's a silver thing in the middle of it. Kind of rank, that's put me off a bit. Is that a head? There's no fucking prawns on this. Tell me where's a fucking prawn in there. Been mugged off with some fucking stale ass tuna from Lidl. That was very fishy. Fuck. Look at the tuna there. Good job I'm not going meeting a bird tonight. I was supposed to be. I'm gonna end the stream now. I'm gonna go and fucking eat.